Let's see if that spin is final. I quit. I quit. Animal Jam. I quit this. You know what? I'm just gonna turn on my sound and quit this game. I've officially quit. I've officially quit. Unless they come up with a new gem pet for non-members. Okay, I quit. Let's see, your name should be Twinkle, Goofy, and Goofy Ruler. No, Raccoon. No. Palace. Teensy Goofy Palace. No, Twinkle Goofy Palace. There we go. I'm officially a pig. Oh my god, guys. I'm officially a pig. Now I can quit. Now I can quit. With purpose. I can quit with purpose. Yeah. I'm just gonna dance like a queen. And hop like a queen. And act like a queen. Or play like a queen. Or sit like a queen. I have long legs. I don't know why.